We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button. Tell them when you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with SENS Stock having another explosive move today and continuing the strength to the upside. Now SENS Stock has been on a strong move, and it was not the only stock moving higher. The overall market did as well, and our SPY bot at 11:55 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options went up 100% plus within an hour. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving the clarity and edge over the charts with 42 vision. So SENS stock, explosive move. We're going to talk about some key levels here based off the chart. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the stocks I mentioned in opportunities over at the Discord this morning. So the opportunity I mentioned this morning turned out to give realistic expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the three stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them nearly reached 20%, and that was DTST. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling upwards under a bull indicator and continuation, and it had a consolidation, and up towards the bell, it jumped up nearly 18% plus, pulled back down, and jumped up again for another highest point of 15% plus, guys, within minutes. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with SENS stock, and as I stated earlier in the video, what an explosive move, and we're going to talk about some key levels in today's video. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts with 42 vision. So here we are with SENS stock. It was under a bear indicator here after a full transition from the dip area, which is white with red borders, to bright green pullback, no bear indicator, and a bull indicator here as an extra layer of confirmation, where it found the next leg up on Friday, and things were looking pretty strong until they pulled back down. That bear indicator popped up, and in the aftermarket hours, it pulled itself back up. And today, towards the middle of the day, got that bull indicator and jumped up from 103 to highs here of 118, nearly an 18 to 20% move. So super important to realize here that within all this volatility, a staircase effect is forming, right? The question mark is, could it continue, and what are the larger time frames telling us? Because the 30-minute is a lot more volatile, and so far this bull indicator has been dominating the chart, and this bear indicator got canceled out fast, and it did not last that long, which turned out to be a fake out, and this bull indicator has came in to go ahead and bring extra layers of confirmation to the upside. So let's look at the 4-hour and the 1-day, and then we're going to come back to supports and resistance. So the 4-hour here has been under a bull indicator since 87 cents, and it's been shifting right from white with red borders to white with green borders, red with green borders, and we're in the dark green area of the shifts, plus a bull indicator giving us that extra layer of confirmation within the move and the continuation of strength, right? Not turning back around or getting dark green with red borders or red bars to the downside, and a possibility of a bear indicator that can cancel out this bull indicator. If not, this bull indicator has been dominating within the move so far. So that's the bigger picture on the 4-hour. And the 1-day, we have been under a bear indicator since way up here at $2.37, but we continue the shifts from white with red borders to red with green borders, and the continuation may continue if resistance levels go ahead and get broken through. So that's what I'm going to be watching, if this shifts into red with green borders to dark green and then a bull indicator as it did here before. I'm not stating it's going to do this exactly the same, and that's not guaranteed, but that bull indicator and that dark green bar could signify further strength when it could cancel out this bear indicator. And as I stated in the videos, when we were hitting white with red borders on the 1-day, on the 4-hour as well, as you see it here, and on the 30-minute, as we did way back here on the 12th and the 11th, we were hitting extreme weakness area and a dip area, and what I was looking for was a bull indicator to pop up for confirmation. It continued, it rolled over as well into the 4-hour as you see it, and that bull indicator has been holding true, and we're continuing to see the shifts into strength. And now we just need the 1-day to do that as well if these shifts continue. But in the bigger picture, within the volatility, this bear indicator is still dominating, and that cannot be overlooked if no bull indicator pops up to cancel it out. So on the 4-hour, there's a little bit more volatility, but a lot less than the 30-minute. And on the 30-minute, there's the most volatility in all the charts. So right now, it is under a bull indicator, and we have some key levels to talk about. The first thing is the low of the day, 99 cents. I would just round that up to $1. As long as this stays above $1, there could be some further strength here from the bulls in the bigger picture. If that gets broken through, the next support is 92 cents. And to the upside, we have broken through 112, which was a key resistance level, and it hit highs here of 118 today. And that is the point that needs to be broken through to signify further strength. This bull indicator not get canceled out by a bear indicator in this pullback of possibility. And if it could be used as support, the next resistance level is back up here at $1.40 based off the history of the chart, and it'll get back up above this bear indicator that popped up around the 130 mark. Those are the key levels I'm going to be watching going into tomorrow on 42 Vision, on the 30-minute, the 4-hour, and the 1-day. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some